I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your subscriptions on your iPhone.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
So first we're going to open up our App Store. Once we have our App Store open, we're going to tap on our profile picture on the top right-hand corner. Next, we're going to tap on our profile picture again. And last, we're going to click on the subscriptions section. Once we're here on our subscriptions page, we're going to see the old subscriptions we've had, as you can see here, as well as active subscriptions. I canceled iCloud, but for example, if you have an active subscription, you can tap on that and it will go to a page that looks just like this, where you can see there's probably a cancel button, which is where I canceled this before. I could also go back and click renew if I'd like to and manage my iCloud storage and other pieces of this particular subscription. But if you're looking to cancel, this is the page that you're going to cancel your subscription on.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.